Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing artwork that meets line specs, because file rejections waste time. Once you have sketches, export PNGs with transparent backgrounds at 370 x 320 px for main images and 96 x 74 px for tabs, keeping each under 1 MB. Make 8 to 40 stickers and name files sequentially like sticker 01. PNG. Also check resolution between 72 and 300 dpi so images stay sharp. This sets a clean foundation, so uploads and approvals go smoothly. You now upload and configure your sticker pack on Line Creators Market. This step controls discoverability and purchase flow. After signing in, create a new sticker set project, then upload files in order and assign each sticker relevant keywords and emoji tags to improve search. Make sure to set price, target regions, and supported languages. Once uploaded, preview how stickers look in chat bubbles and conversation contexts. If something looks off, adjust crop or padding before moving to submission. You finish by completing metadata and submitting for review, which is the final gate. Fill title, description, creator name, and tags, then hit submit and monitor review status. Approvals can take several days. Once approved, your stickers go live in chosen regions and price tiers. If Line rejects the set, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, then correct issues like wrong image size, missing transparency, or copyright conflicts and resubmit promptly. That troubleshooting step usually fixes the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.